We're here at the Pink Book Summer Style Shoot at the beautiful Grand Cafe right by the ocean, and today I'm going to show you how to make a frameless Perspex save the date. What you're going to need are 2 pieces of Perspex, drill 4 holes in it. You're going to need some leaves from your garden, free, some nuts and bolts from your local hardware store, which is about 65 cents. Most importantly, your Sharpie white marker and your design, and you must print a mirror image version of it. First thing you do is you take your Perspex, you put it down on your design, on the mirror image, and you just start tracing. Once you've done that, you just take your base and you put your leaves arranging however you like it. You take your front piece that you've drawn, you pop it on top, and then you start putting your bolts in. So there you have it, a beautiful frameless Perspex save the date.